Hey gang, welcome back to Armcandy. So, one of today's bags that has gone onto our website is this. It's a Coach Riley 22 in black, beautiful black grained leather with the gorgeous contrast stitching. It is in excellent, fantastic condition, and it really is an absolute beauty. One of my favourite things about Coach is the little motif that they have. And on this, it is absolutely for everyone to see on that buckle on the front. I mean, how epic is it? It's just the most wonderful, adorable thing. It's got a really beautiful, elegant top handle. Also, it's got a longer strap, which is adjustable and removable. Even on the little studs, you've got Coach around there as well. And on the little fasten the right way, can you see? On the rings, Coach, I don't know if that's going to focus, but Coach on there, and of course, the gorgeous Coach dog tag. On the back is a little flat pocket with a little magnetic press-stud fasten. It's all of that section there. And then, of course, this gorgeous buckle clasp, which is actually a magnetic press-stud. Inside, it's beautiful. This is the most gorgeous leather. And what an beautiful colour. I mean, it's just fantastic. It's a real sort of concertina style bag. So let's start at the back. At the back here, there's a little flat pocket in there. Then there is a zip section. Look at the zip pull with the cute little Coach on it. And it's one of those kind of really satisfying little zips that kind of tucks in so it's nice and neat. Okay, so let's go inside there. Fabric lined inside that pocket. Then in front of it, you've got a slightly bigger section with a tiny little pocket there. And then you've got a press stud fastened to the next section, and then a big section there as well. So plenty of sections to keep you organised and set up. Size-wise, the exact measurements are on the website. This might give you an idea. I'm 5'4", I'm a UK size 10. And this is on the medium setting on the strap, so you can have this higher or longer than I'm having it. Okay, I'll show you what it comes with, and then I'll talk you through the condition of the bag. It comes with so much stuff. Remember, if you are a bag lover, then subscribe to the channel, hit the bell. This comes with the Coach dust bag. It's also got these, which are the packaging for the three sort of main sections inside the bag. We've got a little Coach sleeve envelope, which comes with a whole bunch of stuff. So we've got this, which is a Coach product tag. We've got another little bit of wrapping. This, which is a care document. This, which is a care document. And this, which is the manufacturing guarantee. So, condition. The exterior is in excellent condition. It's absolutely beautiful, pristine, amazing, incredible, gorgeous. The hardware is in excellent condition. It's absolutely beautiful and pristine and fantastic. The interior I've called very, very good. I don't think the bag has ever been used. So there's no signs of any marks or anything like that. The only reason it's just off the mark of being excellent is because if I'm being super picky, can you see there's just some little wrinkling going on there? That is simply because the bag exists. Because it's such beautiful leather inside and it's got a flat closure, the very fact that this bag exists means it will open and get a little bit of wrinkling. So I'm being super picky with my condition rating with that. But isn't it an absolute stunner? It smells fantastic. And that Coach, I just love this. Like, I really love it. I think it's just wonderful. So there's a link to shop this in the comments below. If you go to the comments below, hit the link, it will take you to their website. Whilst you're on the website, remember to sign up to get your discount code for your first purchase. Super easy. You scroll to the bottom of any page, there's a little box, you pop your email address in and we'll immediately send you your discount code. If you haven't had it within 60 seconds, then check your spam folder in case it's gone in there. Before you go, remember to hit the bell, give us a thumbs up, But then go and check us out on the website. You'll be able to see all of our other pre-owned luxury bags, purses and wallets as well. And remember, if there is a bag that you're particularly looking for, email me. You can get the email address from the website, but email me, let me know what it is, and I can give you a heads up when we get that bag in. Have a fantastic rest of the day.